Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the exercise 4.1 second Roman all questions. Here the question is represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So by the given what problems we have to form the quadratic equation for those problems. So here the first problem is the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So he gave the area of an rectangular plot. It is 528 meters square. He also gave the length of the plot. It is twice the breadth and one more than means 2b plus 1. So we have to find the length and breadth of the plot. So I am taking this as the plot. In this plot, I am taking the length, breadth. So let let us see here. Let the breadth of plot be x. I am taking the breadth of the plot x means it is become x. So after given that What did what did he give? The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square and the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So the area of rectangular plot equals to 528 meters square. He gave the area of this plot 528 meters square. Now he also gave the length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. So length of the plot L equals to what he said one more than the twice its breadth. What we thought the value of breadth x. So twice its breadth means 2 into breadth 2 into x 2x plus 1. So the area of the rectangular plot is so here I said I he gave the length is 2x plus 1. So L is 2x plus 1. So we know the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Like that only. Area of rectangular plot equals to 528 meters square. So now what is the area? Length into breadth equals to 528. What is the length? 2x plus 1. Into what is the breadth? We thought that x. So 2x plus 1 into x equals to 528. So here x into 2x, 2x squared plus x into 1 x. If you transpose the plus 528 to the left side, then it become minus 528 equals to 0. So we had got the quadratic equation. He asked the we want to form the quadratic equation through the given situation. So I had formed the quadratic equation by the given situation of the rectangular plot. So now he also said in the question we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So therefore we got this as equation. Now 2x square minus plus x minus 528 equals to 0. He gave it is the equation. So if here for factorizing the quadratic equation we have to find multiply this both. Then it become 6 2 2s are 4 1 5 2 5s are 10 plus into minus x square. It becomes 1056 x square. So, the factors of 1056 x square were 33x and 32x. For the big value, we have the symbol plus, and the small value, we have the symbol minus. If we subtract or add these two, we get the value x. So, here I am 2x square plus 33x minus 32x minus 528 equals to 0. Here in the 2x square and 33x, the common factor is x. X into 2x, 2x square, plus into plus x into 33x. Now, in minus 32x and minus 528, I am taking the common minus 16. 6 minus into plus, minus 16 twos are 32 into x minus 32x, minus into plus minus 16 into 33, 528 equals to 0. Then we get x minus 16 into 2x plus 33 equals to 0. So x minus 16 become equals to 0, and 2x plus 33 equals to 0. Then it become x is equals to 16. It become 2x is equals to minus 33. X is equals to minus 33 by 2. So for the factors, we don't have to take the minus value, so I am going to take the positive value. It is the x equals to 16. Therefore, the breadth of plot is what we thought the breadth of the plot x. So the breadth of plot is 16 meters. After, by the way, he also asked the length of the plot. So length of the plot L is equals to 2x plus 1. So therefore, again I am writing that the length of plot is what he said, 2x plus 1. What we got the value of x? 16. The value of that we got is 16. He asked, I am writing the length of plot. The length of the plot is 2x plus 1. So I am doing here 2x plus 1 means 2 into. What is the value of x? 16. So 2 into 16 plus 1. 16 to the 32 plus 1. We get 33. So this is the rough work. The length of the plot that we got is 33 meters. So we also find the length and breadth of the plot, and we had got the quadratic equation that he asked in the question. So we had completed the first question. Now let's go to the second question. So here the second problem is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So we need to find the integers. So he gave the two consecutive positive integers product is, that is 306, and we need to find those integers. Let us solve it. Let the first integer number equals to x. I am taking the first integer number x, and the next consecutive positive integer will be x plus 1. The first integer number is x, then the next consecutive positive integer will be x plus 1. So he said the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So product of two consecutive positive integers equals to 306. What are those two integers, x and x plus 1? So he said product. So x into x plus 1 equals to 306. X into x square plus x into 1, x is equals to 306. I am going to transpose the plus 306 to the left side. Then it become x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. So we had got the quadratic equation. Therefore x square plus x minus 306 is the equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation, and by solving this equation we will get the value of x. Through the value of x we will get the first integer number and the next consecutive positive integer. So I have completed the second problem. Now let's go to the third problem. So here the given third question is, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Let us solve it. In this problem, they gave that Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him, means plus 26. After 3 years from now, means after 3 years, the product of their ages will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. So here let the age of Rohan equals to x years. I am taking the age of Rohan x years. After the age of Rohan's mother then the age of Rohan's mother will be x plus 26. He said Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So the age of Rohan's mother is x plus 26 years. So he gave the product of their ages 3 years from now, means after 3 years will be 360. So I am writing here after 3 years. After 3 years, the age of Rohan, means he said after 3 years, means it becomes x plus 3. After the age of Rohan's mother will be he said x plus 26 years. After 3 years it will become x plus 26 plus 3 equals to x plus 29 years. These are the ages of those both after 3 years. He said the product of their ages. The product of their ages after 3 years will be equals to 360. In the problem he said will be 360. So equals to 360. So what are the ages after 3 years? The age of Rohan is x plus 3 into The age of Rohan's mother is x plus 29 equals to 360. So x into x square plus x into 3, 3x plus after with 29, 29 into x, 29x plus 29 into 3, 87 equals to 360. Now here x square plus 29x plus 3x, 32x plus 87, it will become minus 360 equals to 0. So here x square plus 32x minus 360 plus 87 minus 273 equals to 0. Therefore, we got the quadratic equation x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. By solving this given quadratic equation, we will get the present age of Rohan. So we had completed the third question. Now let us go to the fourth question. So here the given fourth question is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So let us solve it. Given the distance traveled by the train, the distance traveled by the train equals to 480 kilometer. So the distance traveled by the train is 480 kilometer. After, let the speed of train equals to x kilometer per hour. The speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Then the time is, we know the formula of distance is equals to speed into time. Like that only, if you transpose s to the right side, it will divide. So it become t is equals to d by s. Like that only. Here now then the time is, what is the distance? 480 kilometer by, what is the speed? We thought that x. So x, the time is 480 by x. After, here he said if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, so he reduced the 8 kilometer per hour speed. So then now the time is, like that only, 480 by distance by speed, he reduced the 8 kilometer per hour, then it become x minus 8. So x minus 8. So these both are taken in hours. After, the difference between the both the times equals to 3 hours. So difference between the both hours means 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equals to 3. The LCM of x minus 8 and x is x into x minus 8. So x minus 18, x into x minus 8, x times. So 480 into x, 480x minus of x in x into x minus 8, x minus 8 times 4, so 480 into x minus 8 equals to 3. So here 480x minus into plus minus 480 into x, 480x minus into minus plus 480 into 8, it becomes 3840 by x into x, x square plus into minus minus x into 8, 8x equals to 3. Now here 480x and 480 gets cancelled, 480x and 488 480x gets cancelled because they are having opposite signs. Here 3840 by x square minus 8x equals to 3 by 1. Let us do the cross multiplication here. 3840 into 1, 3840 equals to 3 into x square minus 8x, 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 is 24x. So now I am going to transpose the plus 3840 to the RHS, then it become, means I am changing the both situations, means it get 3x square minus 24x equals to 3840. We can write this as like this. So I'm going to transpose the 3840 to the LHS, then it becomes 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equals to 0. So in this one there is an cancellation, that is third table. 3 into x square, 3x square plus into minus minus 3 into 8x, 24x plus into minus minus 3 into 1280 is 3840 equals to 0. If you transpose 3 to the that side, it will divide it. Also it will get 0. X square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. Therefore we got this the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation that we got. So we had completed the by finding the x value of this quadratic equation, we will get the speed of the train. So we had completed the fourth question, means we had completed this exercise. In next video I will explain the second exercise. So for more updates, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.